everybody, and welcome back to another video here at TheBUGNut.com. We're just getting ready to clean up a bit. The garage has turned into a mess. We also want to get into some more welding. You can see my breath. It's a little bit cold here. It's January, late January in Canada, and it gets cold. So you just have to deal with it or nothing's going to get done. So I got my gas heater going, my little propane heater and a little fan, and we're gonna get to work. So yeah, the project's coming along. We're fixing up little spots on the front end of the car. There's some little rust holes and things like that. We'll cut out the rust, put in replacement panels or patches, whatever we make up, and we'll keep moving along, fixing up the front end, eventually giving it some primer or some paint just to keep it from rusting, and keep moving around the car till all the major stuff is done, and then we work on bodywork later. So let's get to work on Project Super 71, fixing up the bad spots on the front end of the car. Okay, so here we are. We're taking a quick look at the front end of Project Super 71, and you can see that we've cleaned things up in the front quite a bit, but there are problem areas. We got a nice big hole right here, and we got another bad spot over here. And if we move up over here, you see we got some thin metal and some holes along the edge. Now I think we can fix all this up. The rest of the metal's pretty good. There are some thin spots, but nothing we can't fix. So let's get to work.